Hey there, welcome to Smoky Mountain Tree Service. I'm going to take a wild guess and assume that you're here because you're having some trouble with trees. Maybe you want some cut down to create space for a new project on your office property. Or maybe you want the trees on your yard removed for better curb appeal. Whatever your reasons are, you can rest assured that you've come to the right place. We operate in East Tennessee offering tree removal and other care services. We have some of the most qualified tree cutting professionals working with state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that you get exactly what you want. Some of the services we offer include tree cutting, tree trimming, stump removal, skinning, and whatever other services that you can think of involving trees. Just take a look around the website, get as much information as you need, and let us help you take care of your tree problem.